materials that are easily available for us. All we need is an empty glass, a white sheet of paper, water in any container, and a marker. So let's start our experiment. So first of all, we have to draw two horizontal lines on a sheet of paper. As I have drew here two horizontal lines. But remember, these horizontal lines should point towards the same direction. In this image, these horizontal lines are pointing towards the right direction. Second, I have to keep a glass in front of this rough, or I can say in front of this white sheet of paper. Now we have to observe what happens. As we can see that in this image, when we see this arrow through the glass, this appears normal. But what will happen if I will pour some water until the water surpasses this below arrow? So let's make our observations. My prediction says that this arrow will point towards the opposite direction. So now let's do it. I will slowly pour some water until it passes the arrow, the below arrow. Amazing. I was right. This arrow is now pointing towards the opposite direction. But how does it happen? Just now, you have been demonstrated to a physics concept, that's refraction, the bending of light. Now let's learn what is the science behind it. We know that the light travels in a straight line. But when you keep a glass of water in between your eyes and the light from the arrow bends. First, the light from the arrow travels through air, through the glass, through the water, through the glass, through the air again until it reaches our eyes. And now, after that, when you put some water in this glass, this whole glass starts behaving like a convex lens. A convex lens is a type of lens that points the light rays to a specific point. This lens, or in this case this glass, refracts the light twice, first on entry and second on exit. Convex lenses bend light to a focal point. This is the point at which light rays cross. We learned that the light refracts when it travels through different mediums. In this case, the light from the arrow travels through air, through the glass, through the water, through the glass, and again through the air before it reaches in our eyes. Hence, this light, or in this case the arrow, appears to be flipped horizontally.